Alright, we're going to do a Yamaha Grizzly 700 cold start and joyride. There she goes. Let her warm up here for a little bit. Alright, so I let her warm up here. See if I can get her to focus. Let her warmed up here for a couple minutes, so we're going to go for a little joyride. Log there. You know what? For the fun of it, I'm going to throw it in two-wheel drive. There's that. Then that right there should go off. Sometimes you gotta back up to do it. There it goes. Now we're in two-wheel drive. So it's nice about this display. Let you know. There's some ice. Yeah, buddy. As you can see, we got a little snow last night. Down, alright. We'll take an alternative route. This thing's got tons of power, but yet it's tame. But yet, if you got that power at your fingertips when you need it. I'll show you here in a minute. Just to show you that kicked the back wheels off. This thing, if you penny of all four wheels spinning. It's at the engine brake. See, I slowed right down here. I'll show you here. It's probably too shaky, but she'll slow right down. This thing's got differential lock that comes in handy a lot. Alright, if you guys want to know anything more about this, let me know in the comments. Thanks. More ice. Woohoo. Okay, one more thing is, see how that's gone? You hit the four-wheel drive, comes back on. If you put it in diff lock, that turns on. Let's take it out. No, normally you have to move before it'll go out, but since I didn't move anywhere, it came right out.